Hi, I've gotten a question from several of you that was the same question, and so I love to just post a video instead of sending emails back to everybody, which could possibly be misinterpreted. The question is about the kit assignment number 2 and whether or not you need to also turn in your textile kit when you come to the exam tomorrow. And the answer is no, I will not be collecting the kit, and tomorrow we won't even be looking at the kit. We've just got a lot of other things to do with the exam tomorrow. I may ask to look at the kit later in the semester during an exam to give extra credit or to give people advice about their kits. But at this point, you should be focusing on kit assignment 2 that's open in tracks and uses the first 2 sections of your kit master list on fibers and yarns to help you focus on those parts, because that's what we've studied, fibers and yarns. So the answer is no, you do not need to bring your kit with you tomorrow. If you've completed kit assignment 2, you have 2 opportunities to do that and you're happy with your score, then you're done with your kit for now. In terms of what parts of your kit to work on in order to do the kit assignment, I will feel free to ask questions on the assignment about any swatch that is listed under either fibers or yarns. So it's the first page and a bit of the master list. It isn't in numerical order. 1 through 16 is included, but after that it's, number 58, number 62, number 112. What I would do is start the assignment and note which swatches I'm asking questions about. You can then leave the assignment open in one window and go over to Textile Update, where you are right now. Look at the Textile Swatch Kit playlist, find the videos that cover the swatches I'm asking you about, get those completed, go back to your kit assignment and complete the answers in the assignment. The whole goal is to help you prepare for the exam tomorrow by having you focus on swatches that are examples of concepts that we've learned. So good luck with that, and you don't need to bring your kit with you to the exam tomorrow. Super.